Hi, I'm Adele and I'm from Naked Divorce. In the divorces that I work with, one thing that I've seen since 2009 is that there is sadly no justice in the legal system. The legal system is a game of chance. If you're relying on lawyers and judges to ultimately rule on justice, make things fair, teach communication, resolve the big argument between the two of you, solve things and ultimately see what you would like them to see, that's not what the legal system is designed for. The legal system is the end stage of a divorce. It's the business side of a divorce where you divide and figure out your assets and divide and figure out your access and custody arrangements with regards to your children. If people go there with a quest for justice to ultimately have their divorce ruled upon by a wiser counsel, that's going to cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars to achieve. Most times what I've noticed is, particularly with solicitors and advocates and lawyers and barristers, the good ones are focused on getting the divorce over with as quick and easy as possible. They're trying to keep things simple. They're giving you strong reality checks along the journey. They're not revving you up. They're giving you sobering news. They're preparing you for the fact that it's not a justice system. They're trying to help you to get to a solution by avoiding court. The lawyers and solicitors and barristers who are out there to just focus on making money are there to rev you up, are there to get you feeling that the justice system is going to give you your feeling of justice. And they want their day in court. And they want you to not communicate directly with your soon-to-be ex. They want to create a drama, because drama means they make more money. It means they become the monopoly person on the communication in the partnership. They are the ones that are there to solve everything and save everything, often under the auspices of them creating the drama to begin with. Each point is argued and debated in court. This is just what I've seen over 20 years of doing this. Is just, it's sad. And if you want to have justice in the legal system, that's going to cost you too much money to achieve. There is no justice in the legal system. What you can hope for is to try to get the deal done as soon as possible. The most effective way to get divorced is to use mediation and to find a way to communicate with your soon-to-be ex, if possible, and negotiate and settle the agreements between yourselves, and find a way to communicate as simply as possible with all your different scenarios that you're dealing with. The only caveat is if you're dealing with abusive or toxic situation. If you are, fair enough. The lawyers, the legal system, the judges are involved to try to find some kind of resolution in that toxic situation environment. But it will cost an inordinate amount of money to achieve that. So my recommendation is, wherever possible, try to sort it out yourselves. Try to use non-violent communication techniques. Try to have a conscious uncoupling where you're talking through how to settle things, so that the lawyers are just writing up the agreements between you. They are not the ones monopolizing the communication between you. So I hope that makes sense, but try to avoid getting this big justice and having your day in court. Court is a brutal process. It's often not based on fairness. It's kind of the luck of who you get on the day, what the judge feels like, what their mood is, what their background is. Maybe they had an ex themselves that had your same look or hair color, and they take, they don't take a liking to you. They're biased against you. They're human beings at the end of the day. I wouldn't want to roll the dice on having my life decided upon by some random person that I've never met and having my day in court, I would want to take charge and do that negotiation myself. So that's just a tip from me. If you want some more advice like that, drop us a follow and let us know.